So we chose ALS because we've lived here for 30 years, so quite a long time. We've had some drainage problems. Last year we did a load of drainage work on the garden, dug it all up, so we had a blank canvas of grass surrounded by fencing. So we wanted to start from scratch. We heard that they did the whole package of design and we needed a few sort of important structural elements to it. A friend of a friend knew about them because they'd been involved in a church garden project in an estate nearby, which is completely different to this, but they'd had a good experience. It made it feel very real and very special right from the beginning, so that we knew where we were going. So it was lovely knowing what it was going to look like, and they said it will look like the design, and it absolutely did at the end. But not only that, but we weren't quite sure what to do about some of the beds and the paths and how it was going to work, and we did tweak it a bit having seen it from the design, so it just helped in the development process as well. I think the day when all the structural work was finished and it was just garden and soil, and then the plant man, Terry, came and showed me around the garden as he was planting everything, and it suddenly became a garden, having been just a whole truck full of plants, and that was really exciting. I've always loved the garden, but we have quite a big family, and I think this garden will be useful as a year-round garden. We can be in it all seasons and have big family gatherings, and that's not something we've done a lot in the past, so we can be proud to just have people round basically. I love it all, but the patio and the pergola is quite a special area and quite unique, I think, the way they've designed it, and it's a big area for parties and family gatherings really. The ALS team were very impressive. They arrived very early in the morning. They stayed late. They one day did an 11-hour day just to get stuff done. We got daily updates on how it was going. They work really hard, and any little niggles don't become problems. They just sort them out straight away. It was a really good experience. They're quite impressed. Yes, we've got a big family gathering this weekend, so they're all coming round. But yeah, the neighbours have peered over and been quite surprised at what we've done. It's added value to our life just by allowing us to do more in the house that we normally like. So we like cooking outside, we like having family over. It will just make another big area that we can entertain in. I would recommend ALS to other people. I think the whole experience, right from design to the completion, was smooth. We never had any anxiety that there was any big problems coming up. They finished ahead of schedule. We were confident all the way through that the quality of it would be excellent, and I would definitely recommend it to other people.